Hello, 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 hello. What's up, my guys? How's everyone doing? Jesus Christ, my hair. Whatever. We're gonna have to deal with that. How's everyone doing, chat? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? I hope everyone's having a great day. We're in these cells, bro. We're literally in these cells. We took them, and we made a freaking absolute bag here today. Yesterday got absolutely clapped. Today, made back almost what we lost yesterday. Kind of, not really. But I have a runner, chat. I have a runner. We have runners here running. I'm trying to make 2K on this runner here. W's in the chat, though. W's in the chat. I hope everyone's having a great day. Guys, I tried to tell you guys I was just dealing with a lot of bullshit, but I couldn't miss a trade, bro. Like, just because I'm showing up late, I have to take my fucking trade. The computer was acting up. It was being retarded. But just so you guys can see, did take that trade right here at the breakout. Right here on this candlestick. Once we were coming down here. Boom. Instant TP. Which is a beautiful position right there. Beautiful. So yeah, guys, I think I hope everyone's having a great day. Should we wait for a pullback to get back in sales? Yeah, you're gonna have to wait, bro. It's gonna have to be a patient day here. Going for about an 8K win here, chat. Yesterday was not the nicest day, as you guys can see. We lost 2 trades. We lost sells on NDX and we lost buys on NDX. And then we caught NDX sell. If you guys are in my free Telegram, I kind of told you guys in the free Telegram too, that I was liking the sells. So I hope you guys saw that. But like I said, I was just trying to start the freaking stream, chat. But I really do appreciate all the support you guys show me day in and day out. You guys are the absolute freaking goats. I'm gonna set where can this run to, bro? This looks like it wants to fall off the face of the freaking earth, bro. Like, actually. So we'll see if we can catch an absolute banger here. Fire haircut, thank you. We're gonna have Emmett pull up here, I think, later. I'm not sure. Definitely next week you're gonna see me do longer streams, guys. So minimum 2-hour streams. I don't know if we're gonna do Emmett today. I kind of want to give him some good hype before the stream, just so he can have more viewers here, you know, and then people who actually want to come and find out who Emmett is, etc. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close now, chat. Just close my position right there. And we're completely out of the trade now. No reason, just saw 2K on that trade, so I'll take my profits and run. So we are currently in profit. So we made 4,000 plus 2,800 plus 2,300. How much is that, chat? We need to go here. I can find out very easily if I just go here, today, boom. So we made 9,300 bucks because the runner ran, chat. The runner ran to 100 pips, chat. So that's a little banger for us, chat. Let me call Emmett and see if he's down to come. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it up in a way where he gets like actual promo, bro. Because we can't just do it the day before. Although he's like one of my best friends, so he won't care. Yo, Emmett, did you take NAS shorts?
No, I took US30 shorts, bro.
Same thing.
Did you win?
Yeah, I won.
Yeah, we're pretty much the best traders that ever happened.
I know. Yo, so I was telling my stream, bro, I want to give you more like more promotion, man. Like, I don't want you to just come one day, you know? I want it to be like an event.
Oh, good, because I completely forgot I was supposed to hop on today.
Yo, you see, Chad, this is what I'm saying, bro. McLaurin, now you, bro, that's insane.
No, yeah.
Dude, that's nuts, bro. Honestly, dude. Like, am I just, like, not respected in the industry?
I'll ask Zenlab, should we go on to Dr. Dollar?
I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. The point of this call is to let you know that I want.
No, fuck that nigga. Hell no. Yeah, they're all kind of go fuck with you, bro.
Okay, so I'll see. What we're gonna do is let's do it for next Friday.
Right,
next Friday, I'm gonna hype it up all this week.
All right, I'll hype it up too.
All right, fire. All right, bro. Sounds good.
All right, hit me up the stream. All right, bro.
All right, bye. Yo, okay, so you guys heard it here. We're still gonna give away about 10 accounts here today, chat. So if you guys are here for the giveaways, tap in. Let me go ahead here and send this link over here. But what's up with y'all? Did you guys catch the trade or no? Did you use my code, Culinary? Did you guys use my code? Any guy who's buying FundedHero accounts needs to use my freaking code. You know, guys? It's only right, dude. It's only right. Did you receive your account? Everything good, bro? Look, US30 sales were also pretty nice. Underneath this low. 570. Chat, who you guys got tonight? Spurs or whatchamacallit? Or Knicks. Spurs or Knicks, chat? Spurs or Knicks? Who you guys got? Who do you guys got, chat? So yeah, guys. So today, I do have a meeting around 9:30. So that's the reason for there's two reasons to not get Evan on. I want to give him better promo, and I have something to do. You guys, Spurs in 6, bro. The Spurs are nasty, bro. I think the Knicks are underrated though. I'm gonna go out with some boys to here. Let me actually set that up tonight. I'm gonna call my friend here. See if he wants to go to a restaurant. Yo, Jose, what's up with you, man?
Yeah, what's up, man?
You sleeping?
Nope.
Yeah, don't lie, dude.
Nah, I'm not, bro.
Okay. What was I gonna tell you? Bro, tonight is the final. Do you wanna go watch it?
The final?
It's the Spurs versus the Knicks. I'm gonna go hang out with Angel and shit.
What time is it?
It's like at 7:30. It's late.
Sure.
You down? You don't sound too down, man.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Why not, bro? Wait, what? No, we're gonna go to a restaurant. Probably like Twin Peaks or some shit. Alright, I'll pick you up if you want me to. Okay, yeah, but you live right next to me. You know what I mean? Yo, facts. No, I'm kidding. I haven't drank in 41 days. I haven't drank or smoked, bro. I know, I've been home all these 41 days. I think that's the key there. I know, I'm actually live on stream right now. They hear you. But alright, okay, so I'll call you. I'm gonna call you later then. Alright, that about right. Alright, guys. What was I gonna tell you guys? Moxie's? Damn, Moxie's does sound fire. They got like TVs and shit at Moxie's? Where do you guys stay at? Where do you guys stay at? What city do you guys stay in? What city do you guys stay in, bro? Let's see here. We got about 78 people watching us here on all platforms, which is not bad. I started fucking late. Guys, next week, longer streams, bangers, left and right is the goal. And yeah. Miami, Kenya, Africa, Colorado, Tampa, Florida. Dude, you gotta go link up with freaking my boy Emmett, man. Emmett's in Tampa. Miami. Yo, Dollar, I have a question about my funded. What is your question about your funded? If I have one trade under a minute on funded, am I still chilling? You gotta talk to support about that, bro. They'll review your account and let you know what you can do. Bro, look at gold, please. Can we buy hard? Let us know. Bro, look at gold, please. Can we buy hard and let us know? Can you buy hard? Why does that sound so wrong, chat? Why would you buy gold? Oh, I guess you're at 4 hours support. I guess you're at 4 hours support, chat. So definitely looking like a quick little bounce over here. Looks nice, but what if we break? If we break, you're gonna wish you weren't in those buys. So I would stick to waiting right here, chat. You don't know if it's gonna respect this level until you get confirmations from this level, right? So like maybe a bullish candle closure and then breaking the high, or some sort of rejection wick to the downside and then a bullish candle closure. That's what's gonna give you guys a better chance to actually win a position. You know, just taking a buy here on a red candlestick is not something I recommend. It's not something I do. So definitely waiting for a red candlestick. You guys like my haircut, chat? I kind of just got out of bed, but what do you guys think? One's in the chat. If you guys fuck with my haircut, two's in chat. If you guys think I'm busted today, chat. One's in the chat. Fresh, yes sir, ski. Hey yo, India, fresh. Let's go, fire, fire, fire. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Start at 8:20, please. Dude, guys, today my computer was acting up. Like, couldn't do nothing. Couldn't do nothing, bro. I tried to fucking give you guys a heads up, like, on stream, you know? Like, I try to go here, you know, let you know, hey, guys. Oh, did you guys take this trade yesterday? This is Michael's trade. Unfortunately, he hit stops at breaking, which is normal, but today I told you guys start these streams soon. Something was happening, and then, I'm having freaking technical difficulties, so trying to make sales on NASDAQ looks absolutely beautiful, though. Can't say I didn't try, chat. Can't say I didn't fucking try. NFP print was high. Oh, it was NFP today? I didn't even know it was NFP today. Jesus. You know why, chat? Because NFP is not for professionals, chat. Not for professionals. If I would have seen NFP come out today, chat, I probably wouldn't have fucking taken that trade, to be honest. I think that it's gonna take some. Let me do a reanalyze here on. We are reaching a crazy level here, though. I understand your buy bias, but you can't go against what the candlesticks are telling you. You can't go against price action. Right now, we're clearly engulfing this candle here on the left for gold. We're engulfing that candle. We clearly just broke out of this level here too, you know, and we low-key retested it with this wick coming up here. Then price is going to potentially come down here to potentially either flip or whatever the case is. Let's see, we got sells to potentially push down to this area here, or even this area right here. That is the key here. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Could potentially see some sort of movement here. Guys, I have a crazy freaking giveaway for you guys on my story after stream, okay? On my story after stream, you guys have to freaking watch it, bro. It's actually an insane giveaway. It's an insane giveaway. Like, honestly. Okay, let's see here. US30, bro. US30 was a beauty. How would you guys have taken US30? Well, you probably would have either taken it down under here, underneath these lows, or you would have taken it underneath these lows. 15-minute time frame, you see, level of support, rejection wick right there. Right there would have been a clean entry to the downside to continue making new lows. And look at this beautiful NASDAQ trade, chat. Beautiful NASDAQ trade. Chat, I called this setup for you guys off stream yesterday, and look, like I put the setup here on stream, and look at that beauty, bro. Look at that beauty. Literally, probably like 15 minutes after I got off stream, that shit hit. Made $118 from US30 opening. Nice. Let's go. NAS100. Everything is melting. I know, it's so beautiful to see. So beautiful to see. Let's take a look here at FOREX Factory, chat. FOREX Factory. Let's take a look here at FOREX Factory. So this week, oh yeah, bro, we had NFP. Sheesh. That's interesting. Unemployment rate. Damn, bro, let's just take it. Dude, look at BTC, guys. Oh my goodness. You guys think it's a good time to buy BTC? Put a one in the chat. You guys think it's a good time to buy BTC right now? You know what's crazy? BlackRock is selling BTC. Fucking MicroStrategy is selling BTC. It's kind of nuts, chat. Not gonna lie. Kind of freaking nuts. I've been trying to get back into BTC though. I sold, bro. I actually sold pretty bad. Not gonna lie. I sold on the way up here, bro. I sold like way down here. We're somewhere around here. And I haven't had any crypto since then. Because I saw this rally and I was like, fuck crypto. But I have been buying NAS100 this whole entire time. So it's you win some and you lose some. So I took all my money out of BTC and I've actually put it back into NAS. I put everything into NAS. And look, that shit has been such a good. I've been telling you guys this whole time, bro. It's actually been a great investment. Like overall, great investment. You know, somewhere around here. Overall, great investment. But guys, remember, guys, there's something called day trading, which we use our money to then put into long-term stuff. You know, that's how you guys should think about it. Like, what are you guys gonna do with your payout? You guys should have a plan, and it shouldn't be to buy a new car. It shouldn't be to fucking buy a new belt, new shoes, new clothes, new glasses. None of that bullshit. You know, it should be to invest in your fucking future. And then when those investments pay off and you made the money completely passively, that is when you grab that money and put it into your liabilities. That's what I've done. You know, nothing I buy nowadays is with my earned income. That's the biggest freaking thing. Nothing I buy nowadays is from my earned income. It's all from my passive income, whether it's business, investments, stocks, ETFs I got, dividends I have. All of it gets paid for through that. So my bills, my liabilities, my everything. Okay? That's why whenever you guys see me here and you guys see me buying something new, it's because one of those investments paid off. Okay? US30 is the youngest man I've ever met. Thank you, man. I'm actually not that young. I'm 27 years old. I made a lot of mistakes, and now we're here. You know, I definitely learned from all my mistakes, man. But I wouldn't say I was this smart all the time, bro. I'm telling you, when you're young, dumb, and rich, you make a lot of dumb decisions. But now I feel like I'm in a different category now. Now I'm wealthy, no longer rich. I'm not wealthy because I don't care to show people that I am rich anymore. I just want to have my money for my future and my kids and my wife. That's all it is. And if they are proud of me, well, I'm proud of myself, you know? No need to try to impress others. If I want a new car, I'll get a new car. But if I want that new car, it's not because I want somebody else to be able to validate me for that car, you know? But that's how I think of life nowadays, chat. And I think you guys will definitely learn a lot from all that. What a banger trade though. I knew that we were gonna melt once we start to break 30,000, chat. Once we start to trade below 30,000, this shit was a wrap, chat. Psychological level, if the 4-year cycle on Bitcoin is still good, should start pumping bull end September, October. That hit. Bro, wait, so question, should I fuck, I probably shouldn't even ask you guys, but dude, this is looking like it's gonna keep melting though. Like, I don't think right now is a good buy. Maybe dollar cost averaging in right here would be the nice play. Just because we are at this crazy level right here that we have bounced before. But we bounced not for a long-term gain, though. For a short-term game. You know? So I'm in it for the long term, bro. I'm trying to get this move, bro. I'm trying to get like a move like this. You know? You know, a lot of people that buy Bitcoin and stuff usually are buying Bitcoin, right? But they technically, like, let's say if you bought Bitcoin like at 2K, 1K, 13K, 15K, 16K, 20K, like, yeah, you bought at those levels, but you kept buying on the way up, and you never closed your profits, so you're probably fucking down overall, you know? Not only them is proud of you, boss, the entire trading community is proud of you. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. 40K diamond trades? Hey, that sounds like a diamond trade. BTC still dumping if BTC offends President Trump. BTC 50K, wait for 35K or for 45K. Yeah, I guess we can kind of just follow technicals here, right? Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, about 40K here. Let's take a look. 40K does look nice. 45K looks beautiful. These will be the next levels that I think we're going to go tap into, man. Those will be the next levels that I think we're going to tap into. So 50K, I'll probably buy some. And then 45K, I'll probably buy some. And then I'll probably buy some again here. Hopefully it takes a while to get that so I can get some money out of Venezuela and then dump all that money into here. That would be perfect. But life isn't perfect, so I got to prepare. Be a little bit, have some cash reserves for sure. For when the market does come down, I will be ready to buy. Gold, bro. Gold has also been an amazing investment for me, chat. Amazing investment. I was buying gold at 1780. You guys know I've been telling y'all guys to buy gold since fucking 2021, chat. You guys know that. True or not, chat? Who's been watching me since 2021? Have I not been telling you guys to buy gold since 2021? You can put a cap in the chat. But I really started buying heavy gold like at 1700 around here. Right before the fucking rally. Like, well, we saw like all this bullshit and then we rallied. So very nice. I don't think gold is ever gonna be down 1700 ever again, dude. I don't think it's gonna be there ever again, chat. What do you guys think? I think that potentially no, it's never gonna come down here. It's never gonna come down here. Especially with the dollar being so weak. Even though it has gained strength in these past couple months, but no, honestly, it's been ass. But I mean, this is the strength that dollar has. Like, we're in a consolidation range. I don't think we're powerful on the dollar at all. I'm not bullish on the dollar at all. So long-term bearish on the dollar, if I'm being honest. And I'm an American. That says a lot. I think that we're just going to continue to print, right? Causing more inflation into the market, meaning gold, real estate, all that stuff should continue to take off. I think that it's not really making you money, right? Because it's just hedging against the inflation. Same thing with real estate. It's not really making you money unless you're cash flowing from it. I just think that, look, like back in the day, you buy a $200,000 house 25 years ago, right? That same house that costed you $200,000, if you sell that house, you cannot go and buy 5 houses, and it's worth $1 million, right? Let's say that the house is now worth $1 million. You can't sell that house and buy 5 houses for $200,000, right? You're not gonna get the same house. You get me? So did you actually make money, or did you just protect yourself from inflation? That's why real estate's kind of not really money-making asset. It's kind of just a good place to park your money and just hold for the long term to, you know, hedge against that inflation. But in terms of making money, real estate is not perfect. Unless you're selling real estate, unless you're like house hacking it, unless you're like doing things like that, then it's smart. But I'm saying in terms of just buying in a house that you're living in, and you know, that sort of things. And then like let's say this, chat, like let's say you have this is what a lot of people don't fucking understand, bro. Like when they're buying a house, right? Like you have $200,000, right? Let's say you buy a 200K house. Right? So let's say you buy a 200K house. Loan calculator. Many of you guys are gonna buy a house with the 30-year loan, right? So essentially for this $200,000 house over 30 years, right? You are gonna pay $231,000 to $279,000, right? So if you think about it, chat, you're gonna put, let's say $250,000, just to keep it simple. You're gonna pay for a $200,000 house. By the end of that loan, you're gonna pay $450,000, and you can't even fucking find a house in the United States for $200,000 anymore. So $200,000, right? You're gonna pay $250,000 just in interest, right? Just in interest. That's getting a 6% thing, right? Let's see. And then you're going to pay around 1.5% per year. 1.5% per year. So you're probably going to be at around $2,500 to $3,500 per year that you're going to pay on that as well. So essentially, if you have a 6.5%, you're going to have, if you have a 6% interest rate, you're going to have $250K. If you are going to pay the taxes on that property, you are going to pay $300 to $400 per month. So let's just say $350, right? Times 12 times 30. You're going to pay another $126,000 if the house does not gain value. Okay? That's if the house doesn't gain value. You're paying $126,000. If not, you're paying more. Okay? So, you're going to be paying $125,000 more in taxes, right? 450K, 125K. So then that's $575K for a $200,000 house. Doesn't sound very good, huh? So in order to be profitable, right? What's going to happen? Well, the dollar is going to decrease, right? That means your house is going to increase because it's hedging against that inflation. So now it's going to be worth $600,000. So in 30 years, let's say 30 years, you made $25K. But you have paid off the entire loan, right? You have paid off the entire loan, so you have saved $575,000 and you made a profit of $25K. What am I talking about, bro? It's fucking Friday. I already caught my win, bro. Sorry you came late. Look at this. I already caught my win, brother. Sorry you came late, man. Sorry you came late, dude. But yeah. So that's what I'm saying, chat. I think that a lot of people just don't understand this. And I think that people just think that buying a freaking house is gonna make you fucking rich. I think that maybe back in the day, it was a lot cheaper to buy a house. It was a lot less expensive to buy a house. You know, you don't have PMI on your loans. You don't have all this other stuff. So yeah. yeah, Nasdaq is continuing to melt here. You could potentially catch a continuation underneath these cells. 30 years, I will definitely be dead. How old are you guys, chat? How old are you guys? Shout out to the people who are in here. We have about 75 viewers watching us on all platforms. But shout out to you guys. I know I showed up late. Usually when I show up late, not a lot of people come. But that means that there's more of a chance for you guys to win a giveaway. So, great for you guys. Not so good for the stream. But next week, we're going to be doing longer streams. We're going to be doing a lot more different things on the stream. So that way you can tap in, you know? So this week wasn't the best week in trading, to be honest, but still ending the week off profitable here. Not a lot of profits. So 3 weeks ago, we made $31,000 in profit on stream. Last week, we made about $8,100. This week, I'm only up about 4 or 5K. So it's okay. We'll come back next week. We're going to freaking make a bag. And that's all that matters. Messing mate. I was here at 6:25, but your stream wasn't on. Fair play, mate. Yeah, I know, bro. My freaking computer was being annoying. Did you catch any trades yet? Did you catch any trades, bro? Dollar, thanks for the free funded. Can't believe I won the giveaway yesterday. Yo, facts. Anytime, bro. Who wants a free funded account, chat? Put a W in the chat. W in the chat if you guys want free funded account. Yo, about the giveaway from yesterday. Not sure if you sent to my email. Is Hotmail, though, not Gmail. Well, I gave specific instructions to do Gmail, man. So, unfortunately, if you guys do want to win a giveaway, you guys have to do everything in the description down below and have an active Gmail account. That is the way to win a account, chat. Okay. So if you guys do want to be a part of those giveaways, just make sure that you guys are here until the end of the stream. I'm gonna have to hop off here very soon, so we'll just do it right now. I really appreciate all the support that you guys show me, guys. You guys show me come here every single day, bro. And use my freaking code dollar, which helps out a ton. Dude, like on Monday, you guys went absolutely crazy. I think I sold using the code, it sold like freaking 22 accounts. So really appreciate all the support. Remember, guys, the giveaways that I am doing are smaller account sizes, but they are still free money. You know what I mean? But if you guys do want to, get more money, all you guys have to do is use code dollar on FundedHero.com, the best platform in the industry. They literally have the best rules, honestly. Like, and they pay out on time. So I think it's the way to go. Like and sub, yo, facts. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do active chatters. So you guys just have to type in the chat. You guys just have to type in the chat, guys, and then it's gonna put you in timeout if you win, just so it doesn't pick you again. Okay. So all you guys have to do is just type in the chat, and then it'll pick you guys. We do have to kind of go here a little bit quick, guys. I have a meeting in 14 minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick them as you guys are getting ready. Okay. So Isa Castillo, make sure that you guys are putting your Gmail in the chat. Okay, guys. Gmail, only the first part of your Gmail. Do not put the @gmail.com. Okay, just the first part of the Gmail. Shout out to Isa Castillo. Thank you for the support. It really means a lot. Guys, if you guys win one giveaway, there's been... Guys, put a 1 in the chat if you guys have won multiple giveaways on my stream. Multiple giveaways on my stream. Should be a couple of you guys. It's a few lucky of you guys. Okay, there you go. Thank you. Oh, it's Isaac. Fuck, sorry, bro. I thought you were a girl, bro. Log in. Okay. Bro, why am I logged out, bro? So annoying. Hold up, guys. Taking a look here. Dude, this is not helping, bro. Like, I gotta get off. And now this fucking stupid ass WhatsApp is asking me to log in when I never logged out. Like, it's so ridiculous. Did anybody put 1s in the chat? Jesus Christ, none of you guys. Okay, there you go. Thank you, guys. So just because you guys win once doesn't mean you're never gonna win again. Okay, so I got you. Not gonna lie, I've been here for a while. While I be watching at work. Nice, bro. Let's go. First one. Love that, bro. I gotta log into this WhatsApp real quick, guys. I guess we'll just re-roll the winner. Quick Gains Lab. Quick Gains Lab. Put your Gmail in the chat without putting the @gmail.com. Put your Gmail in the chat without putting your @gmail.com. Very, very simple, chat. Very, very simple. Put your Gmail in the chat without putting your @gmail.com. Quick Gains Lab. Put your Gmail in the chat without putting your @gmail. There we go. Perfect. I am Royal Boss. Love that Gmail. Love that Gmail. Okay. Going again. Going again. Rickus! Bro, I swear this guy wins like almost every single day. Rickus! What is up with you, man? You got the luck of a century, dude. Put your Gmail in the chat, man. I think Rickus has won like at least four times, bro. Rickus, how many times have you won, bro? Rickus, how many times have you won, dude? Put your Gmail in the chat while you're at it. How many times have you won, Rickus? Alright, got you. How many times have you won, Rickus? I want to know your answer. No, he didn't just win once. There's no way. He won way more than one time. I got it, bro. I got you, Rickus. I want to know how much you won here. How many times you've won? We got like 7 more giveaways, shot. Guys, remember, if you're not doing the things in the description down below, even if you get picked and give me your Gmail, I still won't send it if you're not doing everything in the description down below. Let's go, yeah. Shout out to Rickus, bro. What a great supporter. Danielle Ibrahim. Danielle Ibrahim. Love that. Thank you. Fast response. Love to see that. Love to see that. Shout out to you, my brother. Bao lifts. Bao lifts. Bao lifts. You just have to type in the chat, Shalom. Just have to type in the chat. Put your Gmail in the chat, Bao lifts. Gmail in the chat. Put your Gmail in the chat. I need your Gmail in the chat without your @gmail.com, bro. Without your @gmail.com. Without your @gmail.com, chat. We'll give him here another minute. If not, we'll be moving on, okay? Bow lifts. I want to give it to you. It's just I don't have too much time left. And we have 5 more giveaways to go. Bao lifts. Bao lifts. Bao lifts. Bao lifts, chat. You guys want to see the cutest thing in the world? Look at my son and my daughter when he gets out of school. Is that not so fucking cute? Is that not so cute? Alright, got you, bro. I love my kids, bro. Like, honestly, dude. I wish I can, I want to spend some time with them a lot this weekend, chat. That's my goal this weekend. $1. Dollar. Want to give me an account? I use your code dollar. Bro, Rich Swervo, just type in the chat, bro. We do this very randomly. Just pull up every day, even though I know you always pull up, bro. But unfortunately, we do giveaways random, bro. And and then if I start just picking people can start getting upset in my DMs and stuff. So we gotta make sure that everybody's happy here, you know. Hope you can understand, bro. Yo, Oscan, you gotta put your email in the chat. Email in the chat. Email in the chat. Email in the chat without the @gmail.com. It needs to be a Gmail. Put your email in the chat without the gmail.com. Pásalo. Dímelo. Juan Carlos, ¿cómo andas, bro? He is not in the chat, maybe. We'll give him 2 minutes here. 2 minutes. Yeah, you're gonna get timed out because you're spamming. Guys, there's already eligible users right here. Okay, Oscan, put your email in the chat, bro, but without the @gmail.com, okay? So you can't put the @gmail.com, so you just have to put the first part of your email. Dude, I'm gonna add that to the description, bro, because I feel like we do this every single day. Okay. Guys, what's up with this guy, bro? Oscan, what's going on here, bro? I don't have time, dude. Bring Hero to the screen. He's fucking shitted on in his cage and shit. I don't want to take him out. I know you're here, bro, but you're not putting your Gmail in the chat. Put your Gmail in the chat without the @gmail.com, bro. Okay, thank you, sir. Alright, moving on to the next giveaway. Put your Gmail in the chat, guys. Ed, my guy. Monday, we'll be back at 8:30 a.m. Central Time, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, guys. Monday, we'll be back. Put your email in the chat, Ed. Put your email in the chat, bro. Put your email in the chat. I know. You can do it. Put your Gmail in the chat. Bro, I don't have time, guys. Like, I have 2 minutes. I have 2 minutes, chat. Okay, guys, I guess I can't do anymore, bro. Ed, what's going on, dude? Alright, well, I'm just gonna pick people. Who do I want to give it to? I want to do a trade with Da Vinci. We're gonna do trade with the Da Vinci. Just put your Gmails in the chat, guys. Thunderfold. Thunderfold. Bro, Ed, you gotta put your fucking Gmail in the chat, bro. And then, okay, there we go, .com. Alright, guys, that's it for the giveaways. We gave away 10 accounts. Appreciate all the support, though. See you guys next stream. And everybody should be receiving your accounts if you guys do everything in the description down below. If you guys don't do everything in the description down below, do not ask me why you didn't get your account. It's that simple. Love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Peace. Thank you guys for everything. I'll see you guys next stream. Next stream's gonna be a banger, guys. So make sure you guys are here on fucking time. I'm feeling good for next week, alright? Peace, guys.